Let's play a short imagination game. Close your eyes for a moment. Don't think too hard. Just picture whatever first comes to your mind. The following personality exercise is inspired by Kokology, a series of Japanese psychological games designed to uncover the hidden sides of your personality. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a wide desert. The sand stretches endlessly all around you. Suddenly, you see a cube. Describe it. How big is it? Is it as small as a box you can hold? Or as tall as a building? What is it made of? Glass, wood, metal, stone, or maybe something else? Where is it placed? Resting on the sand, floating in the air, or buried halfway? Now, in this desert, you notice a ladder. Look closely at it. What does it look like? Is it wooden, metal, short, tall, old, or new? Where is the ladder in relation to the cube? Leaning on it, far away, or standing beside it? Next, you see a horse. What kind of horse is it? Is it strong and wild, running freely across the desert? Or is it calm, gentle, and standing quietly near you? Is it saddled or free? Is it close to the cube or wandering far away? Now, flowers begin to appear in the desert. Where are they? Do you see just a few flowers near the cube, or many flowers covering the desert? What kind of flowers are they? Roses, sunflowers, or wildflowers? Finally, a storm begins to form. Describe it. Is it a light drizzle in the distance, or a powerful thunderstorm right above you? Is it heading toward the cube, the ladder, the horse, and the flowers, or is it far away? Now, let's see what does this imagination reveals about your personality. The cube represents you. Its size shows how big or small you see yourself. A glass cube means you are open and easy to understand, while a stone cube shows strength and stability. If your cube floats, you may live more in ideas than reality. If it rests firmly on the ground, you are practical and grounded. The ladder represents your friends and connections. A strong ladder shows dependable friendships. A fragile one may suggest weaker ties. If the ladder is close to your cube, it means you feel close to your friends. If it's far away, you feel more distant. The horse represents your ideal partner or how you see love. A wild, running horse suggests you want freedom and excitement in relationships. A calm, saddled horse shows comfort, loyalty, and stability. Its closeness or distance to the cube shows how close you feel love is to you right now. The flowers represents children, creativity, or the things you care for. Many flowers mean a desire for family, growth, or projects. A few flowers suggest focus on quality over quantity. The type of flower may also reflect your ideals. Roses for romance, wildflowers for freedom, and sunflowers for optimism. The storm represents stress and struggles. A distant storm means problems feel under control. A violent storm right overhead suggests challenges that feel overwhelming now. The effect of the storm on your cube, ladder, horse, and the flowers shows how much stress affects you, your friends, your relationships, and your hopes. So, what did your desert look like? Remember, there is no right or wrong. Just your imagination showing a piece of your inner world. Share your cube, horse, and storm in the comments. It's always fascinating to see how differently each person imagines the desert.